Your first week on Rewarded Play is usually the fastest period for earning, because the app introduces you to new game offers and recommends titles that are actively tracking rewards. By the end of this video, you'll know what your first week typically looks like, what affects your progress, and how to avoid the mistakes that slow new users down. The first thing to understand is that Rewarded Play does not guarantee the same results for everyone. Your earnings depend on the games available in your region, the offers shown on your device, how much you play, and whether your gameplay is tracked correctly. During your first few days, you'll probably notice several recommended games with fresh offers. Instead of downloading everything at once, choose a few games that interest you and launch each one directly from the Rewarded Play app. That helps ensure your play sessions are recorded correctly. As you play, keep an eye on your point balance. If one game continues rewarding consistently, it's usually worth spending more time there. If another game slows down or stops increasing your points, switch to another recommended title, instead of forcing more hours into the same game. Another important habit is checking the app every day. Rewarded Play updates its featured games over time, and new opportunities can appear, while older ones disappear. Spending a minute looking through the current recommendations can help you find better earning opportunities than the games you started with. Don't expect every game to reward at the same pace. Some titles award points more consistently, while others may slow after you've reached certain gameplay milestones. That's normal for reward platforms that work with multiple game publishers. One mistake many new users make is opening games from their phone's home screen, instead of launching them through Rewarded Play. If the app doesn't recognize your session, your progress may not be tracked properly. Making a habit of starting every session from inside Rewarded Play helps avoid that problem. It's also a good idea to keep your internet connection stable while playing and avoid switching devices during your first week. Consistent gameplay makes it easier for the app to recognize your activity and record your progress. The biggest takeaway is that your first week is mainly about finding the games that reward your time consistently. Start with featured titles, monitor your point balance, rotate into new offers when progress slows, and always launch games through the app. If you follow those habits, you'll have a much clearer picture of how Rewarded Play works by the end of your first week, and which games deserve more of your time. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out the next Rewarded Play tutorial on the channel.